what is the three biggest threat you're facing in the wild?
Okay, so specifically for our project, the three biggest threats would be, the first one would be habitat loss and / prey availability. So what keeps these eagles where they are now? You know, like I mentioned, this is an urban area. There's a lot of people, we're in the outskirts of Johannesburg with this pair of eagles. So there's a lot of development and houses around these eagles. But we are scared that at one point, when are we going to have too little bit natural habitat for them? Or when are we going to have too little prey available for their sustainability? So that is definitely for us, probably our biggest threat is the development. And then with prey availability, it kind of can be two things. It can be the development taking away potential habitat for prey as well. And then also with the last 2 years with COVID, we've had a lot of people, not making a lot of income because of the economy. So we've seen a little bit more poaching of the natural prey like hares or the rabbits in the area. So that is definitely our biggest threat, I think specifically for our urban pair.